Last time on Get Lost Traveling. I've recently moved to Vietnam, and with Saigon as my home base, I've started traveling again. I'm solo traveling South Thailand.
I was sure that it'll be easier to clear you from my mind. Struggle with dusty corners that will fill with fatal bombs. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
And in this series of videos, I'm going to 6 towns and islands in southern Thailand for the next 4 weeks.
Come on, shine. Let out heavy, you had to break free from the minefield that you are. Bomb, bomb, bomb.
I arrived at Khao Sok a couple days ago and spent yesterday exploring the area on scooter. I was also able to do a self-guided trek inside the national park to see its waterfalls and wildlife. And in this video, I'm going on a couple paid excursions around the park. I spent a lazy, wet morning tubing down a river and my afternoon on a bamboo raft tour. The experiences weren't what I expected, but nevertheless, things were interesting. So come get lost with me. Today is a rainy day, and it seems like a perfect day to go tubing, I guess, on the river. I wasn't expecting it to rain. I was hoping for it not to rain and be a nice sunny day, but it is what it is, and I've got activities to do today. Basically, in the morning, I'm going to be going tubing, and then in the afternoon, I have a bamboo raft tour. Right now, I'm getting ready. I got another like half an hour before I have to return my bike and head over to the front desk area so that I can pick up for the tubing today. The tubing is about an hour activity. Normally there's more people here, but obviously the weather's a problem. Rocks are a little bit rough on the feet. Oh, from here, huh? Oh, thank you. Whew. Chilly. So it's just myself and him and a rainy day, which is kind of cool. It's nice relaxing time here with Tan, my guide for the river tubing. Nice and quiet. I mean, it is raining and nobody's around, so yeah, it's gonna be nice and quiet. I think most people are sleeping right now, considering the rain. Except for me. Oh. Careful with your butt. Ooh, whoa! I have to go a little bit flat on this because your butt's gonna get the brunt of it. Because it's a bit shallow over there. Now it's getting better. They're trying to stay dry still with umbrellas, which is kind of weird. It's very scenic. Hello. And it's kind of funny, umbrella and then sitting in the river. More people canoeing down the river a little bit more. But look at this though. It's so freaking amazing, beautiful. Probably try and get out of the rain under this outcrop. But what does it matter? I'm already wet. Hello, how are you? Stay dry. And another canoeer here. Oh, we have more canoers back here. And that was finished. That was like a 45-minute thing. Oh, it's fun. But definitely it would be nicer if it was cool, a little bit warmer and not cold. And rainy. Everything okay? Everything good, yeah. Thank you. Cold. A little bit cold. So I'm on my way to the bamboo raft. The tour is probably going to be a couple hours. And as far as the rain's concerned, it stopped after tubing was done, but now it's starting up again. No, I just realized it's raining. Yeah, I know. This is gonna be fun. I guess I'll be donning a raincoat in a little bit. Rain has gotten much bigger. I'm not looking forward to this rafting. It is what it is. And it's gonna be cold and wet. And cold and wet. Okay, so we're here at the bamboo rafting. This is so insane. I'm in a pink raincoat, so I look as ridiculous as the other people from earlier. This is the way it is because this is kind of the rainy season, so you gotta deal with it the way you deal with it. I'm gonna look like a little crazy Asian guy with a pink raincoat on. But hey, you know what? This is actually quite nice. Normally, I think there's some tea and stuff like that, but right now there's just a lot of water all around us. It has rained harder. Not that I wasn't expecting it, but it has rained harder. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? I already get paid for this damn thing, so might as well go on it, even though I'm really, really messy. I think it's fair to say that it's pretty miserable right now. As pretty as this lake's around me, it is wet, and yeah, I think I'm kind of over this already. Yeah, this is a bad time to come to this area of the woods. This is really, really wet. So we did see a little green snake, and yeah, it's still raining, but it's not that bad. It's just not fun. I felt like I just had to do it because I already paid for it. I think it was like 800 baht or something like that, so it's a bit over 20 bucks. But yeah, well, tells you there's a time and a place for certain things, and Khao Sok is one of those. There's a time and a place for this place, and this is definitely not the season for Khao Sok. It looks nice though. The view is really spectacular. Poor guy's gonna have to follow me and do this for a little bit. If I wasn't here, I guess there would be no payday. So that's why we do this, even on bad days. It's just a different type of adventure, you know? One with a pink raincoat on. What has my life become? Like or not, this place is a kind of majestic even in the rain, and I actually kind of like it. But you know what, next time I'm definitely gonna come back during the proper season. I think it's about April, May time period. I think that's what the people at the hotel said. I think right now it's kind of dead too, but still, it's quite an experience. It's a little bit of a solitude travel. Still is quite nice looking, so I really don't have much to complain about. Oh, there's the water coming down from there. That's pretty neat. Little waterways underneath all these rocks. They're dumping water into the stream right now, so you can hear it. Probably not something you see when it's not raining. It is pretty cool though. Yeah, all this water coming from the mountain up there and all the way down here into these little crevices. So I thought this was the end. I was like, yes, the end. But no, this is coffee. We're stopping off to get some coffee and warm up just slightly. But we can go up there for a little bit of coffee, get a little bit warmed up, and then we'll be good. We're going up for some coffee. Oops.
We must use the young bamboo.
So the bamboo is cooking the water right now. Yep, it is boiling. Coffee. Oh, thank you. No sugar, no sugar. And now I think we're ready to go. Lily is packing up, and I'm ready to go myself. Get the heck down and back on the river and back to some civilization. The rain's killing me. Okay, we are getting to the end of this. Yay, it's over. And at the end of the bamboo raft tour, I had some overpriced mediocre pad thai. It was a really challenging day, so I treated myself to a banana roti with Nutella. And that was really it for the night. Today, we are headed to Cheow Lan Lake for an overnight stay. It's kind of early. It's still not, weather's not great. Very wet. It was raining last night. Right now I've packed up, got everything ready, and I am headed to the reception to drop off my bag, and then I'm heading out to the lake at about 9 o'clock, which is about half an hour from now. It hasn't really panned out too well with the weather being the way it has been over here, but this is kind of exciting for me. So anyways, let's get started, get my bag, and let's get out there. There's my bags. This one's staying, this one's going. It's a pretty large overnight bag. It's got a lot of stuff in there. The people running the jungle bungalows are keeping my big bag, since I really don't need all that gear for the overnight. It's gonna take about an hour to get to the dam for our long-tail boat. Basically, the long-tail boat is our first tour of the lake. And I'm back in my pink poncho for the day. Looks like that's what's gonna be happening today, just a bunch of rain. And we got a trekking as well to do tonight, or when we get there. Walking to where the boat is. Yeah, and it's raining. Still, hasn't stopped raining yet. We are on the boat, ready to take off in a little bit. So we've made it to our floating rooms. This is where we'll be staying for the night. We're here. So there we are. We just got here and everybody's getting off the boat right now. It's pretty peaceful over here. Okay, everybody is headed to the room and I got A2. A1 over here. So, ooh, A2 is right here. Whoa, that's a big old space. So A2 is basically my room. There is 2 beds here, but I don't need one. Some ventilation. Oh, there is no AC. It's only a fan, but should stay pretty cool the whole day. So here's the bathroom, and there's an LED light up here. There's a shower, toilet, and then we have the mirror as well as a sink. I think from this point on, we're pretty much free to do whatever we want to do until lunchtime, which is going to be at 12:45. Right now it's about 11:20. So I decided to go take a swim. Lunch was pretty good. Wow, a lot of fries. And this is the view from where I'm staying at. Next time on Get Lost Traveling, my month-long solo backpacking trip in southern Thailand continues. And over the next 24 hours, I'll be doing a bunch of activities from my overnight bungalow stay. There's the evening trekking in the jungle.
morning tour of Cheow Lan Lake, cave exploration, and much more. It's the most amazing 24 hours I've spent in Thailand so far. If you're interested in following along on my journey through southern Thailand and elsewhere in the world, subscribe and turn on notifications for updates. Thanks for getting lost with me, and I'll see you on the next one.